what you do, let x equals to 2.43. And remember, when it's repeating decimal, it means the 3 is repeating. And how many decimals which are repeating? It is only 1. So we multiply both sides by 10. Okay, multiply both sides by 10. So here it will be 10x is equals to 4.33 repeating. The decimal only move one step. Okay, after doing so, it means this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2 according to the repeating decimal concept. And we have to solve now by elimination method. Elimination method. Equation 2 minus, say, equation 1. Right, so after getting this, we say the equation 2 minus the equation 1. So first equation is 10x equals to 24.33 repeating. Equation 1 is equals to x is equals to 2.43 repeating. Like I said, by elimination method, so make sure that the repeating decimals are aligned so that you get a 0 here. Then here we get 3, here we got 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay, so 9 here, 0.12 is equals to 9x. That's what we get. So we get 9x is equals to 21.9. Then we multiply both sides by 10, both sides by 10. So you find out that here you get 90x equals to 219. So we divide both sides by 90, both sides by 90. Cancel here and here. And also we are to cancel here and here. For example, we can say 3 here is 30, 3 here is 70, 73. So we are going to have x is equals to 73 over 30, which is nothing but 2 and 13 over 13. So this is a mixed fraction, whole number and a mixed fraction. So that's it. That says all for this lesson. See you on the next video. Bye bye.